What did you do different?
Well, this one came as a kit.
Okay. And you
So-
had to build it?
So yeah, I had to assemble this one myself, and so that one I got put together now, and the other one is one I've had for a while, and I think you've seen it before.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I've seen
Yeah,
it.
and that one I had to clean because you know they get all dirty inside if you run them a lot.
The
So I had to
carbon,
clean that.
right?
Yeah, had to scrape the carbon out of that one.
And this is a new one?
Yeah.
Seems to be running pretty well. Oh,
Oh, and I adjusted it the wrong
jinxed
way.
it. I jinxed it. Where's my phone?
Nope, it's warming up finally. It's been going for 5 minutes. It's starting to get warm, so it needed to.
Oh, does it cool? Needs to cool down?
Well, no, the carburetor. You know, you gotta just. They don't have chokes on these, so you gotta start them a little.
Oh, I see what
You know, you start them a little rich, and then once they get going and start warming up, you gotta readjust the carb a little bit to make sure that they keep running okay.
It looks really cool on camera.
Yeah, this one is a really nice one. I like it a lot.
Wow, it looks really cool.
So,
It's funny how like even on cars that are on the street, you know, they're turning one way, but it looks like they're going a different way.
yup.
I don't know. I don't know the physics behind that, but I think it's kind of cool. What'd you just do now?
I just had to fill that with oil.
Oh,
This one's got a mini oiler on it, just like the old steam engines do. So it fills with oil, and then it drips oil in real slow.
how often does it burn up the oil?
This is actually really fast, and I've got it turned so it's as low as it goes. But it's running through the oil pretty quick. And right now, because this is the first time I've run it,
Oh, really?
I'm making sure that it's getting plenty of oil so that it doesn't have any issues. So, but when I run it regular, like after it runs in today, I'll probably only let that go once in a while and then shut it off, because you can flip this knob and it shuts off the oil, and then you lift the knob back up and it runs the oil again. Yeah.
Okay, so when you put it down, it closes it.
Right. So there's in the bottom of this thing, there's a hole, and then the pin is connected to this piece here, and it pulls the pin up to let oil out the bottom, and when you flip that top, it drops the pin in and plugs the hole.
It's almost like a cylinder.
Yeah, it's pretty clever. And then you can, like this adjusts how far it lifts the pin out. So if you
Well, how do you
loosen
do
this
that? How do
knob-
you adjust it? You just twist it?
So this, yeah, it just twists out. So you can unscrew it there, and now if I unscrew this a lot, like that should pull the pin out about as far as it goes, and you can almost watch the oil go down. It's going run
Oh,
down
I didn't
so
see that
fast.
particular part.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So, like, I can barely see the oil going down, but you don't want it to go that fast.
No,
If
you
you can
don't,
see the oil
no.
going down, it's pouring too much oil in there.
How many RPMs is it going, do you know?
I don't have my thing out, so I haven't measured it, but I have, now that I know it runs, I'll get out my machine and
No,
I've
I've seen you have it before, yeah.
So,
I love the noise.
yeah, that's my favorite part too, is that little popping noise that they make. So.
Do you edit your videos afterwards?
Yeah, I edit them a little bit, and like that slow motion one that I took earlier, I'm gonna try to edit that down to make it go real slow like, and then I gotta put some sound on it, or maybe I'll
How do you choose the sound?
So, like I didn't plan on doing any slow motion, so I didn't bring my other camera out.
Okay.
but I usually take my other camera and I have one camera record the sound and then the other camera do the slow motion, and then I can use the sound from the first camera on the slow motion from the second camera
And sync them
and
up.
get them all synced up, yeah. But today I kind of, by surprise, came out here and didn't really plan on coming out, so
I like how it's showing up on the camera.
yeah, it looks pretty cool on the camera, so.
Yeah, I just got a phone again recently, so
Oh.
and a tablet, and I dumped the dive and I found a laptop.
Oh, well, I hope the laptop works. I know
It
that
does
you find-
work. It does work.
Well, that's good.
The problem is charging it.
Oh, yeah.
Charging all these electronics, you know. But yeah,
Yeah.
I got I work with the company, the night ministry. They come by and check on me once a week,
Right.
and they got me a phone.
Well, I'm glad they could get you a phone again. I know you didn't have one. And,
Yeah, and then a friend prior to that gave me a tablet. And then, like I said, when I was dumpster diving, I got a Chrome tablet that somebody used for Uber.
oh, okay.
So I just got to do a factory reset on it.
Yeah. Well, and hopefully then you'll be able to get some more stuff in order. You know, I know that you always have a hard time getting your.
The ID is the only thing that's holding me back.
Yeah.
That's the only thing that's holding me back. But I'm working with the night ministry.
Yeah. Well, I know that takes a long time because
So,
you
yeah,
said you're from Michigan, right? You're
UP.
out of the UP. Yeah.
I'm a Uber.
Yeah. So you're a long way from home, stuck down here, and if you can't get up there to do anything.
Yeah, I can't get up there, unfortunately. And then, because I was raised by my grandparents, and they
Yeah.
just got too old for having to deal with the 30 feet of snow we get up there. So they
Yeah.
moved to Florida, and they sold it to my aunt, my mom's sister,
Yeah.
who makes my guts.
Yeah.
And the thing is, this woman, she accomplished the, what do they call it? Adventurer's Grand Slam, whatever, something like that. So she climbed the highest mountains of every continent and skied across both poles.
Oh, wow.
She was on Everest for an hour.
That was your grandma?
No, this is my aunt.
Oh, your aunt. Okay.
She was, and that's unheard of, being on Everest for an hour.
Wow.
Suzanne Nance, look her up if you want to. She's Adventurer's Grand Slam, she took up Suzanne Nance.